Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. On the eve of the FOMC report, we've got rumours. We've got Donald Trump saying maybe the biggest deal ever is about to be done. The markets are loving it. On the stroke of 5 o'clock, 32 minutes ago, boom, the S&P went from 4 grand down to 4 grand up. It massively swung for me. Gold being sold off, people are wanting to buy for the morning. Warning, and I'm going to say this, I want to say this because don't be suckered into it. You should already be invested. Don't buy this because, let's be honest, anything can happen. It's 5:30 in the evening. It's just a few hours to go before the FOMC report. Tap the like button. Are we going to get rate cuts, surprise cuts? Donald Trump's telling you something is about to happen. From his Oval Office earlier, he tried to buy Canada. I was watching it live. Mark Carney, past governor of the Bank of England, who loves the king and the whole thing, mentioned to Trump, you can't buy Canada like you can't buy Buckingham Palace. Canada is a sovereign country. The head of state is actually the King of England. It's not for sale, he told Trump. And Trump turned around and says, never say never. And he also said, I've got a big announcement later on, coming tomorrow or the next day, but the biggest announcement I've ever made. It might have nothing to do with trade. However, it didn't stop people reporting on it and buying at 5 o'clock tonight and dumping gold. This happened. So are you ready? I'm going to show you some news. This happened. But before I show you what the deal is and what's going on with China, you got to get involved. We've got the FOMC report coming up in the morning. A big surprise before that. Our biggest ever live stream. What's that all about? You'll find out in the morning. It'll be our biggest ever live stream before the FOMC report. So what's going on? What's going on in the market? We had a crash with Trump when he talked about tariffs. And now he's literally pumping the market with rumours. Let me show you what those rumours are. We've had blood on the streets, inflation disappear. We've had trade wars all over the place. And now we've got surprises left, right and centre. If you think it's going to be a manic and you're going round the merry-go-round, I'm with you. I understand. But late at night in the city, we get prepared for the FOMC report. Don't get too excited though. Start running round and round like a crazy man, because it might just all come crashing back down and drama. You don't want to be this guy. You definitely don't want to be this guy. Who the guy I'm talking about? This man here. You do not want to be screaming in the morning because you bought the pump. You do not want to be buying the pump. You want to be relaxed. Don't sell everything and jump into crypto because you think XRP is going to suddenly save you. Remember, the economy is not the stock market. Stick to your strategy. Do your numbers. Do your calculations and relax. You don't want to be this guy. You definitely don't want to be him. Calm down. Relax. The morning is just a few hours away. Sell the rip, someone just said in the chat. Well, you could do that. That's one option. I would suggest not do that. But let's talk about what you can do and what the news says and what's actually going on. Pretty drama, right? This happened just a few seconds ago. A massive swing, and that is huge on the S&P 500. Let's see what stocks are up. I'm going to give you a rundown of what's moving, and you can see exactly what's going on here tonight. There it was, the moment it happened. A few hours ago, we had an announcement. There was a big surprise coming. As you're in the middle of an earnings, boom, the S&P does not move like that. Something big's going on. Look at that in detail. There's the S&P. Boom. Very, very quick move in 1 second. Virgin Galactic hasn't reacted to it. Palantir hasn't reacted to it. Gold has. Now, why is gold selling off? Well, simple, really. Gold is basically a piggy bank, like Coca-Cola and J&J. A safe asset. You can always buy it. Trouble is, though, the moment there's something better, everyone dumps it because it keeps making money. in volatile times as a safe haven. But the moment that markets seem like to recover, people will dump their gold and they'll buy their tech once again. That's why Warren Buffett doesn't like gold. He believes in businesses that produce things. Gold doesn't produce anything. It's a place to go for an insurance. I don't do insurance. My insurance is me. I'm interested in buying businesses that own and make money. I know Sensei loves his gold. It's not for me. I don't love it. Gold has gone down. Don't want to be in that right now. Amazon popped up. Amazon, part of the Mag 7. Straight up with the S&P. Apple, straight up. We're getting a bit of trimming right now, though. Now, the warning is, don't get too ahead of yourself. Next year Energy jumped. Enphase didn't move at all. Coca-Cola, hardly at all. J&J actually went down. J&J's like Coca-Cola on gold. Take your money to buy the tech. Chevron Oil, that shot up. Tesla, that's where the money goes. McDonald's, safe bet, didn't move. Google, shut up. Microsoft, shut up. Nvidia, shut up. Walmart, that's interesting, a defensive position. Tilray doing nothing.
Arby has
Robin
become
Hood,
a member.
yes.
I would ask for 100 likes first. Cool face emoji.
100 likes. Shall we do it? Shall we get 100 likes? It's a big story tonight. I think we should. Do you know what? I think we should do that. Plug power going down. Bitcoin shot up. Now, I'll tell you something that Tom Lee said yesterday. He said Bitcoin's about to break out, and when it does, it's taking the S&P with it. Is Bitcoin about to break out? Something is happening tomorrow, and you want to be in the market. So if it does explode, you're in. But you want to be in where you were before. You don't want to be chasing the market and getting ahead of yourself. Stay in, don't sell out, always remain in. Might take some profit if that's your short-term view. Me, I won't be selling anything. XRP popped up. 0.8, Bitcoin 1.1. Not really much in it, to be honest. Anyway, let's come back to here and let's see if we can actually get this whole thing going, shall we? All right, I've got the news for you. But before I bring you the news, bugger it, I'm going to get 100 likes because, let's be honest, I'm ahead of CNBC. I'm ahead of Bloomberg. I'm ahead of anyone. No one's up to the news like we are. So what we're going to do? We're going to do this. We're going to get 100 likes in 1 minute. One of our members just celebrated a super chat with it. So we've got to, haven't we? You ready? Okay. I'm going to show you how many likes we've got right now. Put it on the screen. We have 222 people at whoops a daisy. Hey, steady on, Martyn, steady on. We've got 200 and done it again. 229. I'm going too fast tonight. 229 people watching, so 100 is doable, right? 40 likes. Smash the like button. Let's go, 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 go. Let's get to 100 in 1 minute. So we're going to get excited. We might have should we have a live phone in? Live phone in? I don't know. Anyway, let me check with Sensei. Is he calling in? I've got my email, my text open to you, Sensei. Okay, 100 likes in 1 minute. Let's get excited. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's, where's my little thing earlier on? Where did I have that? Was it people? Not people. AI, not AI. What would it be under? You're thinking, what's he on about? There we go. This one here. You ready? I'm going to spin this round until it gets to 100. Go, 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 go. We're spinning around our Lucid car earlier. We were talking about Lucid. Everyone's getting excited for the morning. The FOMC. Did you remember the movie? You remember the movie with Die Hard, where he says something like, "You ask for a miracle, I give you the FBI. Well, tonight, I give you the FOMC. Yep, let's do it. Come on, let's get excited. Let's get excited. Come on. Let's get excited. Let's go through the streets. You ready? We're going to go fast. Here it comes. How many likes we got now? 66. I need 34. 34 likes. Round and round and round and round and round. Up we go, up we go. FOMC in the morning. 66 likes. Come on, you can do better than that. You can do better than that. I'll give you the news. I'll read the news out to you. Donald Trump reported on it today. Talked about the big surprise coming. So come on, come on. Smash the like button. 32 to go. I'll tell you what, I'll even put some XRP on the screen if you do that. If I get 32 more likes, we'll put XRP on the screen. Oh, hello, 28 to go. We're on 72 now, 28 to go. I shall bring you, do you know what? I'll even tease you. I'll put a little bit of XRP on the screen. There you go. There you go. You like that, right? 26 to go. 26 likes to go. And I'll bring you the news why the market is pumping. Remember this when we did 60 minutes? What a scandal that was. Bitcoin? Is it all about to break out? Well, 26 likes to go, and I'll tell you what the news is. There's 230 people watching. DJ Hayes is here. That looks like my Tesco's on a Friday night. The spinning car. We've got 23 likes to go, and we're going to bring it to you. XRP could break out. The S&P go with it. Something's happening. Donald Trump today alluding to a big surprise. What is it? I'm going to tell you what it is in a moment. I've got the information right here. 16 likes to go. I'm going to bring it to you. I reckon we'll do it in 10 seconds. You ready? Let's do it. And then, you never know, we might just take off and go to the moon. 14 likes to go. Let's go, 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 go. Do you know what, though? I don't just want to go to the moon and blow up and land in nowhere. No. That's not for me. I want to land on the moon in a calm manner, step down those stairs, and say, one giant leap for man. 10 likes to go. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you, Sensei. Thank you. Sensei's just sent me what I needed. All right, good. Let's go to space. 7 to go. 7 likes to go. I'll bring you the news. You want to know what the news is? I'll tell you what the news is. 6 to go. We're nearly there. We're about to land on the moon. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. 5 to go. 5 to go. We're about to hit 100. We want to share this out because something happened, and I'm going to tell you what it was. You want to know what it was? 5 more likes to go. Let me refresh it. You'll see it's on 95. Let's go. 98. 2 to go. 2 to go, you get a big cheer. 2 to go, you get a big cheer. You ready? I might as well. I'll give you a big cheer. Go on, refresh it. If that's 100, we go mental. 105. You're right. You want the news? Well, I haven't got the news. I was only joking. No, I've got the news. I've got the news. I'll bring you the news. Right. This is what Sensei just sent in. You kind of already knew, though. From the Oval Office today, Donald Trump decided to say in front of the Mark Carney's audience, the Canadian Prime Minister, that he's about to announce something really, really big. Okay, he says that a lot, but, you know, he says it might not be about trade. I mean, I've never seen the president do it, really. You normally make a statement or you don't. It's like, whatever. But anyway, this is what's going on. We had this just a few seconds ago. This is brand new, just been out a couple of seconds. Thanks to Sensei sending this in. The S&P futures rise on trade deal optimism. That's what it is. Now, what should you be doing? Nothing. You buy undervalue. You bought the S&P with us at the bottom. We know it was the bottom. We went all in. We used our margin. We bought the bottom. We don't chase it now because it could pump to dump tomorrow and we'll still be up. You don't want to be chasing this. You already want to be in, right? So, UK stock futures rose late on Tuesday after it was announced that Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and US Trade Representative Jameson Greer would meet with China's top economic official later this week in Switzerland. That's why the market rallied. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures were up about 1%. Now, that's a lot. anyone's going, well, yeah, I own Binky Bonk coin and I make 3,000% in a day. Well, you know, at the end of the day, oh, hello, what's Sensei giving me here? Sensei's giving me stuff. Sensei's giving me stuff. You've retracted the first one. Okay. Let me just take this on here. What you sent me here, Sensei? Ah, we got this one as well. Thank you, Sensei. I love it. I've got the news coming through faster than I can even say it. I love it. Look at this. So there it is on CNBC. Trump officials to meet with Chinese counterparts on trade, economic matters. Well, we knew this was happening. This is what Trump was alluding to earlier. President Donald Trump's Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and top trade official Jameson Greer will meet with their Chinese counterparts in Switzerland this week. This is going to be good. The announcement signals a major step forward towards Washington and Beijing beginning negotiations amid an ongoing trade war. We know this is happening now. All right, that's what now you shouldn't be chasing the market. You should already be in. You're very, very happy. Oh, hello. What's this? Number 3.
RB donated $1.99 through a super chat. Number 3, tumbler glass emoji, cool face emoji, you, thoughtful face emoji.
I'm not doing whiskey tonight, mate. I'm not doing whiskey tonight, mate. Shall I have one? Shall I have one whiskey? Because it's going to be a good day tomorrow. It's not going to be a good day if you buy the pump, but if you're already in, it's going to be a good day. Shall I get my whiskey out? Shall I get my whiskey out? I'm going to bugger it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Whiskey shots for super chats. Sod it. Let's give something for the trolls to moan about. I can't believe they type it in like this. They type it in. Can't believe Martyn Lucas gets people to buy him whiskey shots on his show. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Well, he shouldn't do it. He's taking advantage of people. Yeah, I know. It's all about making money. Yeah, I know. I like to earn money and then buy the S&P. It's all self. Yeah, I know. It's all about me. Let me go and get the whiskey. Bloody right. Hang on a minute. All right, here we go. I've got my whiskey now. Maker's Mark again. Cheers, Rob. Cheers, Rob. Oh, it is nice at the end of the day. At the end of the day, little shot of whiskey. Little shot of whiskey with my mate, Rob. Nothing wrong with that, is there? Nothing wrong with that. So let me read this. This announcement... Oops. Right. This announcement signals a major step forward towards Washington and Beijing beginning negotiations amid an ongoing trade war. Trump last month ratcheted up blanket tariffs on Chinese imports 145%, even as he scaled back his so-called reciprocal tariffs on almost all other trading partners. China has retaliated with steep tariffs on US goods. So RB, I want to just, if we're doing shots for drinks, hang on a minute. So RB, man walks into a bar, man called RB, he says, hello. He says, hello RB. That's hello. Yeah, that's the barman. The barman says, RB, can I help you? Yes, you can. No, hang on a minute. That's RB. RB can't be. Yes, I can. No, you can't. Yes, I can. No, you can't. RB says, can I buy Martyn Lucas a drink? Yes, you can. Can I... I'm not doing that anymore. That's silly. Can I buy Martyn a whiskey? He likes to make us mark. Yeah, I know he does. Right, okay then. One whiskey. Cheers, mate. I'll have one with you. Cheers. Celebrating the FOMC report. Yes, FOMC report. It's going to be a good day, right? So anyway, let's carry on with the news. Can't be doing this all night. I've got to be focused. I've got a lot of work to do tonight before tomorrow. While in Switzerland, Secretary Besson will also meet with the lead representative on economic matters from the People's Republic of China. The statement from the US Treasury Department said Greer will also meet... Oh, hello, what's this?
Kent Paranormal and Herbex donated £2 through a super chat. Another sip.
Man walks into a bar. He's called Kent Paranormal. He said, "Why are you called Kent Paranormal?" Because I like ghost hunting. Really? You're a ghost hunter? Yeah. What's your real name? Simon. Yeah, but I like to call myself Kent Paranormal. Yep. Can I help you? I said, "Yeah, I'd like to buy Martyn Lucas a drink. We're getting ready for the FOMC report. Yeah, the FOMC report in the morning. I nearly forgot. Yeah, no, you're getting old. Can I buy him a drink?" "Yeah, certainly you can, Simon. He'd love a Maker's Mark. Cheers. Cheers to you." Now, I got to sip it. I've not had my dinner yet, so I'm not going to gulp it down, all right? I don't want to fall off my bloody chair. Anyway, let's carry on with this bloody report. Greer will also meet his counterpart with the Republic of China to discuss matters while in Geneva, his office said. This Chinese foreign ministry announced last Tuesday that Vice Premier He Lifeng, Beijing's top official for China's US economic and trade matters, will be meeting with Besson in Switzerland, NBC News reported. Stock futures, which opened in the red Tuesday evening, suddenly turned sharply higher immediately following the news of the forthcoming meeting. I've had a whiskey, right? Trump said earlier Tuesday that China wants to meet and that the US will do so at the right time. They want to negotiate and they want to have a meeting and will be meeting with them at the right time. Trump said the White House during a meeting with Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney. So there you go. That's what it's all about. Now, this is very late at night for the stock market, so do expect the market to open up tomorrow on the basis of this. A lot of volatility tomorrow. A lot of money will be made and lost tomorrow. So my suggestion is not to be chasing the market. It should already be in. So anyway, there you go. Wonderful, wonderful evening. So we're going to do this next. We're going to finish up our show today. Thanks for the whiskey. I'm already getting numb cheeks, so I appreciate that. Let me Trump China. Let me just finish this here. Hang on a minute. Getting out of focus. It's getting out of focus already. Let me make sure that this show is going to go to the FOMC. Yes, it is. So let me bring you this on the screen. Okay, this is where we're going next. You can't afford to miss this. Let me write this in here. Another sip. Thank you, Kent Paranormal, for your super chat. Let me do this right now. So FOMC live. There it is. You pin it to the top. Okay, as we end, it'll take you right there. You can just click on the link if you want to. Shall we do Day Trader of the Day? Shall we? Day Trader of the Day? See who's up the most? Shall we also do Stars of the Show? Shall we? We haven't done it for a while, have we? I think we should. Oh, hang on a minute. No. Bacteria or sugar?
RB donated $1.99 through a super chat. No. Bacteria or sugar, smiley face emoji, number 4, tumbler glass emoji.
Man walks into a bar, basically on our show on a Friday night, and says, "Hey, Martyn, I've taken a picture here. Can you tell me what it is?" As he sits there with his wife, live on the show. Well, I've got to be honest, folks. It just looked like white powder, dirty, weird something. And it reminded me of bacteria on a toilet. I said that. Right there. Live on the show. His wife was sat next to me. Suddenly his wife got very upset. And she said, he said, she said, he said, she said, he said. He then told us that it was his wife's bread and butter pudding. You can imagine. Didn't go down too well, but it was very, very funny. So that's what we're talking about now. We're talking about white bacteria or sugar.
Finite to Freedom donated £2 through a super chat. Where you going, Martin? One more for me, winking face emoji.
Alex walks into a bar and says, Martin, can I buy you a drink? Alex, you certainly can. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, mate. One day I'll return the good wishes. Alex, to you, cheers for everything that you do on our Discord. Thanks, mate. Right. I'm trying to end this. I've got a big day tomorrow. You can't go wrong with Makers Mark, can you? Right, day trader of the day. Here we go. Let's play the happy music. Do be do. The stars of the show today, and I'm down 0.27. Let me know whether you are up or down. Do. She do.
Val donated $5 through a super chat. Margin.
I'm down 0.27. Let's see who wins as we roll the credits for the stars of our show today. Roll the credits. The subscribers: Simon Fox, Tawaski, Fifth Tar Gift. Members: RB Super Chats, RB Kent Paranormal, Urbex, Finite to Freedom, and Val. Thank you very much, the stars of our show. Let's see who's up, who's down, who's left, who's in, who's out. Come on, shake it all about. It truly is true. Watch the pub event. It is true. Dr. Jesus. Dr. Jesus.
Mr. Dr. Jesus donated $3 through a super chat.
Cheers, Dr. Jesus. Thanks, mate. Nothing like it. Nothing like it. All right. Thank you very much for the chat, for the drink. I appreciate it a lot. Markets are going up again. Look at this. Don't chase it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. But don't chase it. We've got something going on tomorrow. Lovely stuff. Right. Who wins? Down 4.3. Down 4.3. Up 0.58. Up at 3.71. I'm going to call it. Zach Zate. No one's going to beat that. Up 3.71 on your overall portfolio. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I think you are the winner. Oh, have a sip, mate. Saab
Shergel donated $2 through a super chat. Have a sip, mate.
Cheers, mate. Booty. Absolute booty, me handsomes. All right, we're done. We're out of here. That's it. I've had enough of it. I'm bored of you now. I'm gonna kick you to the dirt. Kick you to the dirt. The winner was Zach Zate, no doubt about it. He's the winner. Cheers. Thank you very much. Give him a thumbs up. Shooby-doo-woo. Woo. Yes. That's it from me. Thank you very much. The link is in the chat. Join us for the FOMC report. As they said on Die Hard, you ask for a miracle, I give you the FOMC. That's it from me, my booties. I will see you in the morning. We've got a big special tomorrow. You're going to love it. It's going to be my biggest viral video of all time. I will see you in the morning. Don't forget Sensei in the morning for breakfast with Sensei. Sensei breakfast. Sensei breakfast. Breakfast Sunday. Don't know. Eggs on legs. We like that one. Eggs on legs. We like that one. That's it from me. See you in the morning. Get ready for FOMC. Book yourself a front row ticket. Click the link. It will take you there now. Get yourself a ticket. Share it on your socials and I'll see you there. But before that, of course, we got the eggs on legs, my big special, and then the FOMC. Have a wonderful evening. Take care of yourselves and each other.